Bad news. The hike that I was gonna go on, it's been cancelled by the main people. There was gonna be about 20 of us. But celebrating because we're going anyway. There's 4 of us who are a little bit more risk taking. We've got one life to live. We just got to be a little bit safe, but we're gonna be good. And it's gonna be a little tight knit group, and we're gonna hit it today. So I'm excited for you to come on my walk with me to Los Champos. Es en un cascada en Medellin. Let's go.
Hello.
Vamos. Here we go. Alright, we're on the way. We're going up into nature, and then we're gonna see if we need a waterfall or not. But we've got one.
I can speak Spanish.
No me speaking no English. Here we have Valerie.
¿Qué?
Lenna.
Lenna y Vanessa. Hola. Ya pasamos, no bebé, ya pasamos. Pasamos por el lugar malito.
We freaking made it, yo. We made it. Let's go. Risk takers. Beautiful horses here. They're gorgeous. Hola. It's a dope place, bro. You. Vamos a ir a cafe. We're gonna go get coffee. Ciao.
Hello.
¿Qué es tu animales favoritos en Colombia?
Mira, no, la verdad, los perritos, esos no los vas a encontrar por aquí.
Me encantan las vacas.
Me encanta porque sé que es algo muy natural, pero es seguro por lo que hay avisos. Cositas así.
It's not very far to the water here.
No?
No. It's just far to the waterfall. Buenas! Oh, what a beautiful day. Muy bonito. What's an expression in Colombia that I need to learn?
An expression?
Sí, una
But
expresión.
I don't know what
Con
expression.
contexto.
Con contexto?
For a good day.
For a good day. Probably something very Colombian would be, but I think it's a bad word. It's like como que chimba.
Okay,
It's like
chimba.
que chimba, but I think it's like no a nice word. But a lot of people say that when they want to say like, oh wow, this is amazing. Like,
Sí.
oh, que chimba de parche, or something like that. I don't say that because it's like, I don't like that word, but a lot of people
Sí.
say that.
Okay, entiendo.
Or, where is Lenna? Ay, mi amor, necesita que le tome fotos, me dice. But yeah, something like that.
Okay.
You
Okay.
didn't know that?
Sí,
Oh, yeah,
I know. The people don't know. What's another expression that's not rude that you use? Más o menos.
Like, not too rude, probably. I don't know, because here say que chimba, que estilo.
¿Qué es qué estilo?
Como uy, que estilo. Or, but I don't know. Ay, look at that. It's so beautiful. No sabría cómo escribirlo, a ver.
Ok, yo voy a venir aquí con yo quería venir aquí contigo, ellos.
Buenas.
Hola, buenas.
Buenas.
Ay, sí. Eso ya podemos venir pues, sin ninguna intención.
No, pues, pero ir más lejos, ir hasta la...
Sí, por ahí.
I'll teach you an expression in English.
Ok.
Teach me.
Teach me.
Teach me, yeah.
Ahora. Okay, so if someone is attractive or like, it depends on the person, but if we like this place,
Yeah.
you could say it's leng.
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 Land.
Leng.
Land.
So like, if I go out on a date and a guy says, man, how was the date? Bro, the date was leng.
Okay.
I live
How
in
do you
one.
write it?
L-I-N.
Okay.
I don't know how to say in español. G.
Okay. Hey.
G. L-N. No,
E. O I.
L-I-N-G.
Okay. Leng.
Muy bien. Sí.
Me encanta por allá arriba.
Nice. Okay.
Sí, sí. Es muy bonito. What's another expression in English that I could talk, that I can teach you? Yo, wagwan.
Okay.
Wagwan means
What?
wagwan.
What?
So if I see you, I have not seen you for a bit. I say, hey Lenna, wagwan. Wagwan. I'm gonna get roasted in the comment section. See, wagwan is W-A-G-W-A-R-N.
¿Cuánto tiempo llegamos a la cascada? ¿Ve? A la quebrada.
¿Qué?
¿En cuánto tiempo llegamos a la quebrada?
Yo no entiendo.
¿Yo cómo te explico? ¿Cómo se dice quebrada en inglés? Waterfall.
Sí. ¿Dónde es?
¿A cuánto estamos? ¿A
¿Cuánto tiempo? 1 hora. Pero
Espérate, yo me
the
quito.
river is only like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutos para...
Ok. Empezar a caminar por ahí.
Sí.
¿Sí queda estético?
Sí.
Ya
Claro.
lo bloqueé, pero quedaron súper lindas.
Para Instagram. Para los chicos.
¡Ay, cuidado, cuidado!
We need to look where we're going now. No video. Peligroso. Uy. Cuidado means safe. Be careful.
Like, be careful. Cuidado.
Your boy has a athletic background.
Wait,
Nothing can stop him.
allá está linda.
Bro, it's so nice here. Check this out.
Dale.
You know what? Really appreciate about Colombian culture es la cultura para fitness aquí. Es muy bueno.
¿Tú de dónde eres?
Sí, todo.
¿De dónde eres tú?
Inglaterra.
Allá los fitness no se ve tanto.
No, Inglaterra no es bueno. Pero aquí, sí.
Careful.
Let's not die. It's dangerous. Lot of risk. Lots of risk. Uy.
Ah, eso lo han arreglado.
Necesitamos fotos para Instagram.
Sí, I think so. We should.
Todos esos aburridos que se quedaron que estaba lloviendo. Yo estaba esperando que alguien diera como no, vamos. Hasta que quien fuera de la idea, tú.
There's quite a lot of people today. Mucha gente. Hoy. See, last time I was here, there was maybe 5 people that we saw. So, I was thinking about coming here. Would 100% recommend. Saturday or Sunday. It's not a lot of people. It's not crazy busy, which you love to see. Cuidado. Qué rico. Cuidado. Sí, soy fluido. Soy paisa. Sí.
No me digas.
Me digas.
That expression is like, really? Say, no me digas.
No me digas, like, oh
No
my
me
god,
digas.
really?
¿Cierto? Sí. Ay, la maneuver. The stream here. Check it out. Perfecto. Stop the chicks out through. And then a big jump.
I need your head.
Uy.
Cuidado, cuidado con tu cordón. Amárrate.
Ay, no.
Casi.
Solo uno. Yeah, it does get crazy wet though. You can walk the whole way by the mountain, but it's just slower.
Sí, te la
Shoes are gone. ¿Necesitas ayuda? Check this out, bro. It's a little hummingbird. That's what we're talking about. A little bit of nature. Con las chicas. I just got wet. I think we're gonna ditch the shoes, bro. See, I think we're gonna ditch the shoes. Vamos. Es más fácil sin zapatos. Pero yo no sé. Like a pro. Valerie, stop giving a fuck. Para todos. Yeah, I'm gonna ditch the shoes. Watch out, boys. The rig is out.
Where is?
Come on.
Do you know where it is?
Sí.
There?
Acá. Sí. Pero you can walk this way. It's más fácil that way with shoes. See? You need to get the bro out in front. You need to lead the troop. Leave the army out here. Get the boys in the front. Playing point guard. Bro, I tell you what, there is such a good grinding feeling of walking barefoot in the forest. Feels kind of tribal. Feels like I'm meant to be here. Agua. Tengo mucho.
Mucha agua.
Sí. Para el grupo. El grupo. Uy, cuidado. Un momento. Uy.
Ay, mira los honguitos. Ya los así. Sí, mira los honguitos. Ok. Thank you. Thank you.
Sí, no problema. What a beautiful, beautiful scene. Like, look at this. Absolutely stunning. It's a good view here. Oh yeah.
Ay, mira, mira.
Sin zapatos. Sí.
Esa es la vida real. El mundo real. Lo natural.
Sí.
Arriba, Kelly.
Oi!
Oh my God.
It's well deep, bro. La naturaleza es peligroso.
Lo natural de la vida. Yo soy capaz. ¿Ok?
Sí. Sí.
Ay, esas libélulas están cogiendo. Están teniendo sexo. They're having sex. Look. You saw that?
Good spot.
Yeah.
That's what you were looking out for.
Yeah.
Well, I need to come on the run to spot los insectos sexo. Bro, I'm like out one with nature right now.
Si yo digo que quedar acá tapado la tormenta, sí debe ser mero mal viaje.
Muy linda. Perfecto para fotos, sí.
Ay, sudando.
Pero está maravilloso.
Mi piscina. Sí. Oh no. Cuidado. Oh no. Es difícil. Tu cara. Okay, we go. So I was having to think, like, I'm not that smart. Like, sometimes I come out with some like really brilliant things, but I'm really not that smart a lot of the time. But the thing is, the difference between like me and this is a lot of like what you would call successful people. By success, I just mean like the things that they want, they get. Like if you want to travel, if you want to go on a walk with 3 girls, 3 women, like you can have it. You just gotta make different decisions. Like the analytical, trying to get my best type thing, trying to find the perfect way to do something, perfectionism, it won't work. It will not help you. Whereas I've so blindly followed so many of my mentors that they just tell me to do something and I'm like, okay. Or I see them doing something and I'm like, oh, if you can do that, I can do that. I remember in my first mentorship program, he was doing group calls and things. And I just started pulling out group calls. Like I'd never done a group call before, apart from like with my friends on Zoom. And I was like, well, if they can do it, like I can do it. And I just randomly started doing group sessions. And that's how I ended up being invited to do a few guest sessions for literally 1,000+ business owners. Because I just took action, and then I made my mistakes fast. Because if you're trying to be perfect and avoid the mistakes, that's the biggest mistake you can make. Because no mistakes, no learning, no growth. So
Hola.
¿Y qué tal si
Mira, mira, esos ¿cómo se van a subir?
está bien.
Ah, por ahí no. It's not here, it's there.
It's up here. Sí. Valerie. Valerie.
No, she said no.
It's up here.
No, she said we can
Yeah.
go there go to the pool.
I came up this way last time, but we can go down to the pool.
You sure? Ah, sí.
But I came up this way last time.
Oh my god. I won't. But I can.
I'm like, do we trust the chicks? We're gonna show the direction. Fuck it, we're going by ourselves, lads. Watch this. Watch me, bro. King of the castle, king of the castle. I am the best. Look at all these peasants down here struggling like peasants, whilst I rule above them all. Oui. Oh yeah. Trust Luke. That's the way. It's a little steep, but we'll take it. As you can see, a little steep. But we'll handle it like a boss. No es fácil. But we will handle it. Like a boss. So all we need is a little bit of confidence. I was hiking by myself last week, and there was a moment where I lost my confidence on like this tiny little jump, and I was stuck there for like 2 minutes, like trying to like psych myself in to do it. And you just gotta have the confidence in your own body, really. You'll be fine. Absolutamente sí. I think we're gonna chill by this pool that I just made myself climb around. There's a little kind of slide waterfall, but I'm like, don't know about that. I don't know about that, bro. We'll see. We'll make our way around on the difficult side, since that's where the girls were. Soy fuerte. Invincible. Es fácil con confidencia. Es fácil. Sort of. Vamos a ir en la piscina naturaleza. Es mi vida. Vale. ¿Listas? Sí. Lenna, ¿necesitas ayuda? En mi pelo, un momento. Aquí. Vamos. Estamos. Uy. Es frío. Uy. Uy. Uno, dos, tres. Vamos, vamos, vamos. How was your experience?
Oh, it was so amazing.
Brutal.
It was brutal.
Yeah, it's been good.
I love it. Look here.
Brutal. Sí, necesito. So we're getting a good grub in. Then I made a brownie. Hola, perro.
Con la comida. Vamos.
Mira, hasta la
We've been surrounded by dogs all of a sudden. It was just us. ¿Te gusta?
Menos mal no los esperamos. Está delicioso el brownie. Desde que quedó. Do you like it? Ella no quiere. ¿Tú no quieres? Bueno, un pedazo ya. Un pedazo.
Bueno.
Gracias.
¿Tu fría? Gracias.
Yo con pena por certificado, pero esto está certificado.
¿Con agua?
Gracias. Una nueva.
Es nueva.
Pensarlo. Está grabando.
Y más sol.
Sí, por favor.
Bueno. Cuidado. La ruta no es malo. Hay con mosquitos. Sí, igualmente. Vamos rápido. No, vamos rápida, porque mosquitos. Ok, vamos. Acá. Sí. Bueno. Sí. Carne. Sí, claro. Lenna's racing. Look at you go. Sí. Ella dije no, pero miro.
También. ¿Todo bien?
Uy, mira. How was your experience, Vanessa?
It was amazing.
How
I
do,
really love it.
how do you feel now?
I feel tired, but I feel happy. It's really good. And all
Sí, bueno.
all the mosquitoes bite me so hard. Oh my god. But it's okay. Never mind.
How do you say sweet blood in español?
Sangre dulce.
Sangre dulce.
What a sweet blood I have.
Sangre dulce. It sounds like something a vampire would say.
I want a burger. Burger. Or something
Hamburguesa.
greasy.
I had a burger yesterday in Buenos Aires. His name was fucking hamburger.
Fucking hamburger?
Yeah, that was the name.
That was the name?
That was the name.
Huh, so maybe it was a fucking hamburger, no?
It was good. Bueno. Fucking hamburger. Man's best friend, see? Vamos. So that was the hike with the girls. It was an awesome one. If you want to tune in for more content, I'm going to be vlogging more, especially as I'm heading to Bali real soon. We've got something coming up next week that I'm going to vlog. You're not going to want to miss out. So subscribe, like, comment, give me some feedback, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.